To find language subtags on your web page, we'll use the Wave extension. First, install the Wave extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge at wave.webaim.org/extension. Once it's installed, go to the page you're testing. Next, select the Wave extension to run Wave on the page. Now go to the Details tab. If your page does not have a defined language, it'll show as an error in the Errors section of the Wave tool. If the page has any language subtags, they'll be in the Features section of the Wave tool. In the Details tab, I'll scroll down to Features. Next, I'll select the language result icons to go to where it is on the page. The first one is my page's defined language. It's above the web page because it applies to the whole page. The language subtag is on the page next to the language result icon. It is EN, so this page's defined language is English, which is correct. I'll select the next language result. This one is for text on the page that's in a different language. The language subtag is ES, which is right because this text is in Spanish. You're ready to use Wave to check your own page's language subtags.